Hello my friends and welcome to my kitchen. Today I offer you a French recipe for chicken with tomato and peppers. And in France we call this recipe Basquaise chicken. It's easy to do. You'll see. Here we go. Here is the list of ingredients, which will also be noted in the description under the video. Start by pouring a little olive oil into your pot and heat it over medium heat. Add the chicken and brown on both sides. Season with salt and pepper and remove the piece when they have a nice caramelized color. Add the onion and peppers. Cook gently until nicely browned. Then put the chicken pieces back. Add the white wine, garlic, and coulis tomato. Put the bay leaf, thyme, and water. Season and stir. We maintain a small boil, so a low to medium heat, and we will cook with a lid for 25 minutes. We stir from time to time so that it doesn't stick. 25 minutes ago, we can remove from the fire. We'll be able to taste this delicious tomato chicken. In France, it is traditionally served with white rice just cooked in water. Here you go, friends. I really hope you will taste this French chicken and tell me about it. In the meantime, I wish you good appetite and see you very soon for new recipes. Au revoir mes amis et à très bientôt pour une prochaine recette. Ciao ciao.